It seems that Samsung is ready to launch the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition in India. To recall, last week, Amazon and set up a promo page for the smartphone and its handset, teasing the launch for October. Now, Samsung's Indian arm has officially revealed the launch of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. The new handset will be launched next week on October 4. Samsung also posted an image on X for a new Samsung Galaxy Tab, presumably the Samsung Galaxy Tab 9 Fan Edition. We expect a full lineup as Amazon also posted teasers for the upcoming Galaxy Buds FE. With all this evidence, Samsung is likely to launch a full Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition lineup next week. For those who don't know, the lineup started in 2020 with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which proved to be a huge success. A smartphone was basically an affordable entry into the flagship lineup, combining interesting flagship specs with an attractive price. Coming back to the smartphone, Samsung posted a teaser on X that includes 3 cameras with the text, the new Epic, and launching on October 4. Samsung did not mention the name of the smartphone in the post, but we do know that this particular teaser refers to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Recently, I uploaded the hands-on video of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Most of the people says that it's fake, some says it's Galaxy S54. No, it's the real Galaxy S23 FE. The Galaxy S23 FE was handled in what appears to be a smartphone store. The device can be seen in its black/gray avatar and its metal frame is clearly visible. The default wallpaper can also be seen in this leaked hands-on video. The bezels around the screen seem quite thick and are on the lines of the Galaxy S54 that was launched earlier this year. That's why most of the people says it's a 54. Are you excited for the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.